Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101. Today we will be showing you how to check whether the SSL certificate of a web page expired using asset search on criminal IP. SSL is a protocol that encrypts and securely transmits data between servers and browsers. And SSL certificate allows secure communication using this protocol. If you use the filter SSL expired true in asset search on criminal IP, you will find that there's more than 13 million web pages with expired SSL certificates. If you look at the website here, its SSL certificate has expired, making users hesitant when accessing the website. You can also narrow down your search results to see expired SSL certificate web pages of specific companies by adding the filter as name to the previous filter. Using Spotify as an example, we can see that there are 4 web pages operated by them that has expired SSL certificate. If there is a dysfunctional service and is exposed to the public, it would cause users to lose trust in the service provider and the website they administer. In addition, an expired SSL certificate of a website means that the website's security settings are in a vulnerable state and may be targeted for information leakage or hacking attacks. Therefore, it is essential for administrators to regularly check the expiration of SSL certificate of their website and renew before it does expire. We will see you again next time with another search tip.